Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using QuickBooks Online, you know how important it is to keep your subscription settings up to date, whether you're updating your payment details, switching plans, or just reviewing your billing history. Managing your QuickBooks subscription doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can confidently take control of your account. First things first, you'll need to sign into QuickBooks Online as the primary admin or company admin. Only admins have permission to manage billing and subscription details, so make sure you're signed in with the right access. Once you're logged in, head to the Settings menu. That's the little gear icon in the top right corner. From there, click on Subscriptions and Billing. This is your central hub for everything related to your QuickBooks subscription. Inside this menu, you'll see several options. Change your payment method. If you need to update your credit card, billing address, or add a new payment method, just select Edit next to your current payment information. View your billing history. By selecting View Payment History, you can see a record of your past invoices and payments. This is really helpful if you need receipts for accounting or tax purposes. Switch your billing frequency. QuickBooks gives you the option to pay monthly or annually. If you decide to switch from annual to monthly billing, you may even receive a credit for the unused portion of your old plan. Manage your plan. This is where you can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel your subscription. For example, if your business is growing and you need more features, you can easily upgrade to a higher plan. Or if you want to cut costs, you can downgrade without losing your existing data. Add or manage services. Depending on your account, you may also see options to add related services like payroll or time tracking. Now, a few important things to keep in mind. Only the primary admin can make subscription changes. If you originally signed up through a mobile app store, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll need to manage or cancel your subscription directly through that store. And lastly, if you change your plan, don't worry, you'll still have access to all of your data, settings, and account history. Nothing gets deleted when you upgrade or downgrade, and that's it. Managing your QuickBooks Online subscription is as simple as navigating to the subscriptions and billing section and choosing the options that fit your business best. I hope this walkthrough made things clear and easy to follow. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.